Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel. It's HBM Organic Beauty. So if you're here for the first time, you're passing by, kindly consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so today I just want to talk about sunscreen. I'm going out, I want to apply sunscreen on my face. I just want to show you guys how I apply my sunscreen on my face. So before I dive straight into the video, I just want to tell you guys that our online skincare class starts on the 1st of August. So if you're interested to enroll for our online skincare class, well, what are you waiting for? Enroll for the class. Just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing on the screen and you will be sent the course outline so that you will enroll for the class. So yes, sunscreen is very important in every skincare routine. Yeah, believe me, whether you're dark or whether you're fair, believe me, sunscreen is important for you, because we have dark skin that can get darker. Yes, dark skin can go darker. Dark skin can also have burns. I've seen dark skin people with sunburn, with black sunburn on their face. Like, I've seen dark skinned person having a blacker sunburn on her cheek, and I was like, man, what happened? So sunscreen is not only for fair person. Anybody can use sunscreen. It's just to shield yourself from the sun rays, from the UV rays that is coming from the sun, just to shield yourself with a particular cosmetic products, you understand? So basically, in the formulation word, we all know that our sunscreen, e.g. like your titanium dioxide, your zinc dioxide, your zinc, yes, can be used to formulate sunscreen. Yes, we have sunscreen, we have sunblock, okay, but they are all shielding you from the harsh rays of the sun. So and it's not that easy, you know, to make sunscreen with all these powders I've just mentioned, because making sunscreen is something you have to really should be able to calculate. You know, you calculate the SPF. That is why at times you see some sunscreen, they'll write SPF 40, SPF 20, SPF 80, SPF 60. There are ways they calculate this, okay? So today I just want to talk about the sunscreen I use, and it is very good for me. So whenever I'm going out, I want to put on my foundation. There's a way I incorporate this sunscreen into my foundation and I go out. But before we go into me showing you how you can make use of this sunscreen, I want to tell some people how they should apply sunscreen, the right time that sunscreen has to come on your skin, and when to apply before you go out under the sun. Okay, now if you're, let's assume you just finished having your bath, you applied your body cream, you applied your face cream, and immediately you applied your face cream, you now carry the sunscreen and apply. No, it doesn't work that way. You don't apply sunscreen that way. One thing with skincare is that whenever you're applying like 3 different types of products you want to apply on your face, you have to give each of those products time to work. Okay, let's take for an example, I just finished having my bath. I apply my face toner. Okay, I apply my face toner. For me, I leave my face toner to assimilate into my skin for like 30 minutes, okay, or 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes is good. 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I just go in and apply my face serum or my face cream. My face cream is a lightweight face cream, so it's absorbed into the skin easily. It contains a lot of aqua, a lot of water in it, so it enters the skin immediately. Okay, so after I apply my face cream, I wait for 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, and I know I'm going out for that day, I just take my sunscreen and apply on my face and wait for 30 minutes before I go out or go under the sun. So that is basically how you apply your sunscreen. It's just as simple as that. But some people don't know when to apply the sunscreen, how to apply the sunscreen. You know, they don't know this do's and don'ts behind it. And when they now apply their sunscreen and their face cream together at once, before you know, they will now say that their face cream is not working. Yeah, why will it work when you've diluted your face cream with sunscreen? Because you applying a product on your face, now you now applied something else on it. You didn't even allow the first product you applied to work, to enter your skin, to penetrate into your skin. So how is it going to work? It's not going to work. So when you're applying multiple products at the same time, you have to give them some minutes for each of these products to enter your skin. Okay, so that is it on how you can apply multiple products on your face. Okay, everything is about you giving each of these products time for each of them to work, because each of these products serves different purpose. They have their own benefits and purpose while you're applying them. Okay, so I just want to show you guys a very good sunscreen I've been using lately, and that sunscreen is very good, and the name of this sunscreen is called DISAAR. We have different types of DISAAR sunscreen. We have different types. Like, I saw a whole lot of different types in the market. This one is isolation sunscreen. They said isolation sunscreen, refreshing and sunblock. So I actually went for this sunscreen, and I've been using this sunscreen for a while now, and I noticed that this sunscreen is very good. Yeah, it's very good. And this sunscreen is brightening. It contains brightening powders in it, because I went through the ingredient. It contains tocopherol. That tocopherol is vitamin E. Yes, it contains tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E. We all know vitamin E is an antioxidant. So imagine sunscreen that does not have vitamin E. That one is not sunscreen, because this contains antioxidants. Okay, hope we all know what antioxidant is. Yes, so this contains antioxidants. This also contains jojoba oil. So you can see why this is my best sunscreen so far. It contains jojoba oil. Like, when I apply this sunscreen, I feel that glow on my skin. And again, in fact, what killed me the most, yes, what made me fall for this sunscreen is because this sunscreen contains licorice extract root, and we all know that licorice extract root is good for skin brightening. Okay, so even when you're applying this, do not be scared that your face will go dark. No, this will even brighten up your skin. Imagine a sunscreen that will protect you from the heavy rays of the sun, that will protect your skin, and at the same time is glowing your skin and is even giving you that even skin tone. This is the sunscreen that does that. So I've been using this sunscreen lately, and I fell so much in love with it that I did not even bother to try out another sunscreen. And this sunscreen is SPF 90. So the SPF of this sunscreen is very high. And again, it is a water resistant. That is, even if you apply this sunscreen and you go and swim, the sunscreen will not wash off your face. Yes, it will not wash off. This sunscreen stick to the face. It is water resistant. It gives a very high protection. It prevents sun induced skin damage. This is how I use this sunscreen. This is how it is. So this is how it is, and this is the way I use the sunscreen. Let me just show you guys. So this one is open. This is the one I'm using. So I just put little. Okay, so this is it. Then I just put little. Yeah, this is my foundation. Then I just mix. Then I dab on my face just like this. Then I use my brush to just blend in. And it blends well. Yes, I am done. Believe me, I don't even apply white powder. I just apply only my foundation, and this, I'm done. I'm done. I'm going out. So you can see the way it blended so fine. So, and again, you can apply this ordinary on its own. Just apply little, please. When you want to apply this sunscreen, you just need little. Do not carry plenty. You just need little of this and apply. And yes, this sunscreen is basically for the face. Okay, it's basically for the face. Yes, I like it on the face more than every other part of my body, so it blends well with your makeup. You just apply the way I've applied and just go out. You are safe. I use skin brightening products, and that is why I don't joke with sunscreen, especially when I'm going out under the sun. So if you're using lightening skincare products, go and purchase this sunscreen from my website www.hbmorganicbeauty.com. Okay guys, so thank you so much, that is it for today. Yes, so if you enjoy my content, what are you waiting for? Quickly go and subscribe. So thank you so much. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.